The petitioner is challenging annexation P1, whereby my tender has been terminated. I was allotted. Which is the agreement? No, the agreement is P2. There is a point of alternative dispute resolution, but there is a reason I have come before this honorable court. The point is point number. They told me which is the clause. That is page number 59. 59. Yes, 59. Tender document. Point number 12. Dispute resolution mechanism. ये कैसा contract है? Yes, Mullah. वो contract में there is a reason, Mullah. There is a reaन. For a moment, मैं kindly see. No dispute resolution system. No dispute can be raised except before the competent authority as defined in the contract data. In writing giving full description and grounds of dispute, it is clarified that merely recording protest while accepting measurement payment shall not be taken as raising a dispute. So kindly see the contract data. That is on page number 73. The competent authority is Chief Engineer MPRES. Page number 73. Page number 70 is the competent authorities of point number 21. Now the dispute which has been raised was never settled, no opportunity of hearing, and the dispute which I raised before them, has been admitted by them only that I was saying right. Now, what are you challenging? Yes, I am challenging the termination of my tender agreement, without giving me. You are challenging the termination of your contract. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. For a moment, kindly see why I am not. Why I come before this honorable court without the alternative, because that dispute was raised with all the description. That is kindly see, my lord, annexation P3, my lord. So after termination of the contract, no, before that only, the dispute was that I was allotted a tender for making Anganwadi Bhavan at 4 places, Takli, Bhagwan, Goradia and Neg. At Takli, a land was allotted wherein encroachment was there, and only boundary wall can be constructed. I started with the boundary wall, raising the dispute before the competent authority, stating the fact that the encroachment has to be removed by them because I am not the appropriate authority to remove encroachment. Thereafter, I can carry out the construction. Now, all this time, I have been raising that dispute before the termination of contract that the land is not available. Now, for a moment, kindly see the Antim Suchna Patra they have given to me before the termination. After termination of your contract, yes, have you raised this dispute before the competent authority? And I know, Malad, there is a reason to it, Malad, because in time, the reason they have passed the impugned order. In time, I have raised the dispute before the competent authority that was never settled. And only one document will be by which the whole picture will be clear. This dispute was not settled and the contract was still terminated. Yes. Is it in itself a dispute which you could have raised before the competent authority? Yes, but the situation is not the competent authority sitting with a predetermined mind. For a moment, kindly see 2 documents. My mother will be satisfied. But kindly see annexure 4. That is page number 119. As I have mentioned, there were 4 places wherein the construction has to be carried out. उपरोक्त संदर्भित कार्य द्वारा कार्यालय अनुबंध सो इन सो तहत आंगनबाड़ी भवन निर्माण बागपल का कार्य दिया जाकर कार्य पूर्ण करने हेतु 6 माह का समय दिया गया था, किंतु लगभग 6 माह के समय पूर्ण होने के पश्चात भी आपके द्वारा उक्त कार्य पर मात्र सामग्री के कलेक्शन किया गया, किंतु कार्य आज दिनांक तक कार्य प्रारंभ नहीं किया गया. Raising the dispute that the land is not available. Now, Malad, kindly see they have admitted the fact that the land was not available. Kindly see page number 121, Malad. Now, the competent authority is passing this order. उपरोक्त संदर्भित पत्र के तहत में अवगत कराया जाता है कि विशेष केंद्रीय सहायता मद अंतर्गत आंगनबाड़ी भवनों का चयन जिला स्तर पर मुख्यालय के निर्देश पर किया गया था. अब आंगनबाड़ी भवन में मानक प्रारूप अनुसार भूमि उपलब्ध न होने से उक्त कार्य को विलोपित कर दिया गया. Now all this time, I was raising only one dispute that where do I construct? The land has to be allotted by the competent authority. Now, one will kindly see the high-handedness on their part that a tender has been done, the tender publication has been done, and the land was never available. Now, what they did, how they cornered me, only one place was allotted. That too encroached. when an application was moved, raising the dispute that the encroachment has to be removed and the whole procedure has to be adopted by the government authority, because I'm not the authority to remove the construction. It was never done. And then they are issuing a notice कि आप बागपन पर काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, जिसमें बाद में यही कहते हैं कि बागपन पर जगह उपलब्ध नहीं थी, इसलिए हमने रोके थे. No, this dispute was never resolved. Understood. Then
It is rejected my objections under section 16.
पिछली बार क्यों लगा था?
हाँ जी,
पिछली बार क्यों था? Wallet is not inclined, my representation is there.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं कर सकते वर्क कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. इट इज अ वर्क कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. आइदर इट फिट्स इन द लिमिटेशन और इट गोज बियॉन्ड दैट.